Okay, so you heard all the self-improvement YouTubers talk about the benefits of meditation, and why you should start meditating for your mental health, for your focus, for everything basically. Because when you improve your mental health, you improve a lot of other things. At day 100, you will start levitating. So you have this problem that you don't know how to start meditating, You don't know how to start doing it. So here's a step-by-step plan on how to start doing it, But 1 hour a day of meditation you should have. I mean, it's good to have, but I don't think you need that much. I meditate for half an hour right now. If you try meditation and you couldn't clear your mind of thought, well, you cannot expect to do that right away, It takes years or decades even to get to that point. So here's the actual plan on how to start meditating if you've never done it, or if you try to do it but you just couldn't do it. So first of all, I would say start by not actually meditating, but go for a walk for like few minutes in the nature and try not to think about anything, just observe the nature, Obviously you can have some thoughts, about the nature, that you're, I don't know what, how beautiful it is or whatnot, but you shouldn't think something totally different than, just focus on the nature, Just go for a walk for a few minutes, do that for a few days, and you should do this for the rest of your life. Just go for a walk. But for this meditation, just go for first week, just go for a walk, and shit, it's fucking hot here. And go for go for a walk and focus on, be present, be in the moment, just look at the trees, don't think about anything. And yeah, that's the first week. The second week, what you wanna do is just sit down for a minute, or 3 or 5. I would say start with 3 minutes. Just sit down for 3 minutes and close your eyes and focus just on one thing. The best way to do it is by focusing on your breathing. Start meditating for 3 minutes. This is how you do it. It's extremely simple, just you need to get used to it. It's just like a skill, You need to level up, just like in video games, The more you do it, the better you are at it. So just normal skill. You get the XP to that skill by meditating, and yeah. Woo. Just sit down for 3 minutes, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing, Just inhale, exhale, focus on that. And you will not notice it, but your mind will wander into some thoughts, You will think about something, but you don't realize it yet. And that is actually a good thing. It's part of meditation, And when you actually realize that you're thinking about something, that's where you want to bring your focus back to the breathing. And that is like 1 rep for your mind, 5 XP in the in the meditation skill. So make sure you do that for like 3 minutes, and obviously the more you do it, the faster you will realize that you're thinking about something. So yeah, this is great. The second week, meditate for 3 minutes, and the next week just go for 5 or 10, how you feel. At least 5 minutes. If you feel like you can do 10, just do 10, It's just that simple. And that's how you start meditating in basically 3 weeks. But you gotta do it every single day, I mean, you could go for for an hour. That's not sustainable, So you need to find a long enough time that how long you can do it for the rest of your life, basically. Because if you do for 5 days 1 hour meditations and then you don't do it for the rest of your life, it's where is the benefits? Make sure you do it for the rest of your life, so that you get the actual benefits. You need to do it long term. The more you do it, the better you will be. Obviously, when you start, you will not be good at it. You will be, I would say you will be bad at it, because you've never done it, Make sure you progressively overload. Just like in the gym, 10 minutes feels easy, go for 15 minutes. But yeah, just make sure you do it every single day. Make sure you never give up on meditation, Don't think like it's not for me, I don't feel the benefits. It's just that you need to meditate more, or I don't know what. So make sure to keep progressively overloading, doing more and more, as much as you can every single day, but not to the point that is actually not sustainable. And yeah, that's how you start meditating, literally, step by step, how you start meditating. So yeah, hope this video helped you, bro. Make sure to subscribe, join our community, you know, if you like this kind of videos from a guy that's actually on self-improvement, you know, and actually gives you advice that he implemented when he started. You know, subscribe, join our community, like, comment, so that the video gets pushed up to people that need to hear this, you know. And yeah, have a nice day and see you next one. Peace.